Aadya, can you check the door please?
Coming!
Hi Aadya.
Hi, Rian.
What are you doing?
I just finished my assignment.
Shall we go outside to play?
Dad, Rian is here. Can we go outside to play?
Yes, don't be late.
Okay. Arya, come. Are your parents at home?
My dad's gone to work.
And mom?
Mom has gone to the temple because today is Janmashtami. Are you also having a puja?
No, we are not religious. We don't believe in God.
What? You don't believe in God?
No,
Oh, I've never known anybody who doesn't believe in God.
that's okay. Most of my friends at school are also surprised.
So, you don't pray at home?
No, we do not follow any religion.
Really? So, what do you believe in?
I am a humanist.
A humanist? What is that?
I believe in nature and science and respect everyone and their differences.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah.
Do you hear that?
Yes.
Do you know what it is?
No.
That's the religious call for prayer for Muslims.
Oh, I never knew that. Even though I hear it every day.
There are more than 10,000 gods in the world that people believe in.
More than 10,000? Really?
Yes. In India itself, there are more than 10 different religions and thousands of gods.
We are Hindu and believe in Shiv, Ganesh, and actually I don't know the rest. This is all new to me.
Don't worry, all this does not really matter. We are all a part of nature and that's all that matters.